Assalamualaikum. I am Dr. Afia Khalid and I am Assistant Professor at University of Lahore. I'm also the Head of Marketing here, and over the years I have been continuously involved in corporate trainings, especially related to marketing and sales training. And over the years, we have done different trainings regarding training of the sales personnel and training of the marketing managers and training and also consultancy projects related to the same things. Recently, I got on board with NGPDS, and overall, the processes, the transactions, and all other related things were quite smooth. So the whole journey, the whole process was very pleasurable, very accurate. I did not have to face any kind of difficulties or any kind of hindrances into it, and I really loved the things I did with them. We carried out a training on customer experience with one of their clients, and it was carried out in different cities, and it was quite learning and quite a interesting project altogether. And the CEO of NGTDS, Dr. Shagupta Junaid, she is a wonderful lady. I really enjoyed every bit of conversation that we had, and I think it was a lovely experience altogether. And in future, I also look forward for more trainings with NGPDS, and I hope I will be of more value to them overall. Thank you so much.